What's the meaning of curry powder? Curry powder. Curry powder.
Curry powder. Curry powder. Curry powder is a blend of spices commonly used in Indian and Southeast Asian cuisine. It typically contains a combination of coriander, cumin, turmeric, ginger, and other ingredients such as cinnamon, cardamom, and chili peppers. When added to dishes, curry powder imparts a warm, earthy flavor and a yellowish-orange hue. The exact composition of curry powder can vary widely depending on the brand, region, and intended use. It is often used to season meat, vegetables, and rice dishes, and can be found in both traditional and fusion recipes.